Hey everyone, Sarah here. Welcome to this week's New and Now. First up, if you're looking to bring out your inner artist while you're on the go, check out Travel Sketching in Mixed Media with Mark Terrell Holmes. Mark will show you fast, fun, and flexible sketching techniques in pen, ink, and watercolor. Travel sketches are the perfect way to capture the magic of your journey from your own perspective. Another way to capture your favorite travel moments? Scrapbooking. Amy Tan's travel scrapbooking class will show you how to preserve your most memorable moments with hand stitching, collage, photography, and more. Create compelling travel-inspired layouts that will preserve your memories forever. There we go. An essential for any trip is great photos. Chris Gray's startup library, Photgraphy, is perfect for a beginner who wants to transform their photos from good to great. Learn how to comfortably navigate your camera settings and gain a basic understanding of editing and post-processing. After you cover the basics, you can also check out Travel Photography, the Essential Guide, with National Geographic photographer Jad Davenport. Jad will share his tips on travel gear, planning a shot list, and overcoming bad weather. Wherever your summer takes you, remember you can always watch your favorite classes and shows on the go. The only thing left to do now? Book your trip!